How to change your bio on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your bio on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find this one, video quality, and not video quality. Click here, these three lines in the top corner, and then click on your profile, and then just click edit, and here you will find your bio. Click on it, then just change it to anything you want and click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.